Just jealous of my natural sense of hanging out. Don't make me laugh.
Home on the range, huh, guys?
Not at the junkyard. Not at the sewer. Not at the...
Has also been blessed by the lack of Ed Boy buffoonery.
Hey, Sarah, you seen your bro?
No!
I haven't seen them either.
I feel as fresh as a spring flower. Come on, people. It's a brand new day. No Ed Eddie. Hallelujah.
For any second to take your cash! Man, that's old.
Help me.
But same old, nothing special. When Kevin rides up and says,
Excuse me, Mr. Eddie. Nice day for a walk, isn't it, sir?
and I say, hey, Kev, is that a flat tire you got there? He looks down and down. What a sap!
Good one, Mr. Eddie. I'm such a dork.